This is project 2, the Plane to Mast project. And before I begin, the materials that I used were the poster board, foam board, and the foam board was for the base, and hot glue, an X-Acto knife, and details that I made look like my primary material so I could maintain the honesty of principle, or honesty of materials principle that was taught by Joseph Albers. So before I began, I did study the anatomy of a cardboard box just so I knew how it was made and just to get some ideas before I began making my project. Let's see, so I did do a bunch of different sketches. This was my final sketch that I used. I included the dimensions and stuff just to make sure everything was proportional. But this is my first sketch. I didn't have a lot of detail. This is the second sketch that I used, but I did end up going with the last sketch because it included more detail, and I did want to make my robot a little bit more creative, so that's my final sketch. And I did just paint that backdrop for a little extra detail to add to my robot. So there's the front view, side view, back of it, side, and then the front again. So that was the project number 2, and I did enjoy doing this project. It was a little bit more complex and difficult than I initially thought, but I did think it was a lot of fun.